Hey, hello. This is for the love of dogs and Breyer horses. I'm Raymay. This is Sai, River, Musu, Ash. That's this. You can see him behind the box. So today, Ash is going to be opening up Peregrine, which is another in the Birds of the Feather. We've had incredible luck this year with that series, apparently. Either she or I have seems to be drawing almost all of them.
Two of them.
We haven't got Robin and Nesting and Crane, right?
Yeah.
Seems like there's one other one we missed. I
think those are the only two.
I really liked Robin and Nesting. And hopefully one day I will come up, but we'll see. But yes, so we'll let you get on with it. So, of course, this one had to come out like right after Breyer Fest.
Right.
So, our collector's hearts might love it, but our bank accounts don't.
That will be mixing vet appointments and Breyer Fest and then the Second Chance sale, this, and the Premier Club.
Have they released anything on when the second Premier Club is going to be?
No.
How long in between was it? Last year? You remember?
No.
That was last year. We did meet those memories.
Yes, I don't remember at all. I know.
When did you get the last one? That was
The Miracle.
yeah, which I think came this year, didn't it? The beginning of this year?
Maybe. I would have to go back and see. 'Cause I know they were all off last year too, but I can't remember when we did get them.
I'm not blaming Breyer or complaining about it. It's just
Just
I know how it is with the whole pandemic and shipping.
just curious as to
When we'll see it.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what I think of the next release. What was the name of that one? I know it's on like a pacing.
It's a trotting standard bred, but I can't remember what the name of it is now. It's an odd name. I can't remember.
But I'm not sure what I think of the mold or the color that they put on it.
It's definitely an odd color for a standard bred, which is why they did it. But I think that the new mold is, better than the old Pacer. But
We'll have to compare them. They do have one on the old Pacer.
it's definitely not going to be a mold that everybody's going to collect.
Are they calling this Brio or this Buckskin?
Done.
Done.
Should be a bay done.
Is this the same mold that Top Gun's on?
No, this would be the same mold that Josie is on.
Okay.
Yeah. It does have modeling around the eyes. I know some people have had trouble or felt that it was paint scratches, and maybe some of them actually were, but the apple was modeling around the eyes. It's pretty good. I like the modeling. It's cute.
Well, I guess they're supposed to see that one there too.
Yeah.
I like the horseshoes on them.
Mm-hmm. Josie had that.
I never paid attention. Wait, it's really green.
Oh, it's up here.
He's a pretty boy. Yeah, blanket Appaloosa. Love these blanket Appaloosas. Probably never heard me say that before.
Nope.
But yeah, this is Peregrine, Birds of a Feather. So it's pretty neat. I'll get some close-ups of him. As long as Ash doesn't mind me taking her stand out of the wrapper. So, but yeah, tell us what you think of the Birds of the Feather series, and if you guys have gotten any. Did you get them through the raffle, or did you get them secondhand? And like and subscribe to our channel. It really, really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So, and if there's any other content you want to see from us, you know, let us know. We're coming to the end of our bank account, so I'm not sure how many more unboxings we'll have throughout the year, but yeah,
I'm sure there will be a few.
yeah, probably. Well, obviously the TSC stuff will be coming out, the Christmas Horse, hopefully Halloween Horse. Though we don't always get that one when we want it. Well, she doesn't. I don't collect them, but
I try to, otherwise they're ungodly expensive. So
yes. So, you know, let us know if there's anything you want us to see or do with the hobby. I was considering going through mold by mold and getting our thoughts on them and what we think. Talking a little about each one and when they came out and that. But if that's something you want to see, let us know in the comments. Maybe we'll make a series out of it. So, other than that, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.